Targeting at line item level. Available categories are inventory source, content, audience, and technology. So whatever the targeting options available in DV360 are completely available at IO and line item level. So let's look at the inventory source. So we already discussed at IO level, let's assume 12 exchanges and 4 sub exchanges as an example. We have given it at IO level. Now when you create a new line item, as per the line item type, the exchanges gets inherited and remaining get excluded. So since it is display, only few exchanges you can see and remaining are excluded because they don't supply display inventory. The same thing I am repeating once again. Why there are only 8 exchanges at line item even though at IO level there are more than 8 exchanges. IO has more exchanges. It includes display as well as other media types. Display line item will only accept the exchanges which provides a display inventory. That's the reason you don't find other exchanges. Apart from display, there are many line item types. Now when it comes to video, you can see 11 exchanges and 4. So extra 3 are added here because those 3 extra are supporting the video. So here in this case, all are added except AdSwiss because AdSwiss only support audio. That's the reason it got excluded. Previously here SpotX is not added. In this case SpotX is added because SpotX supports video. That's the reason it got added along with other exchanges. When it comes to audio, 3 exchanges are selected. That's the reason you can see 3 exchanges and 4 sub exchanges are selected. AdSwiss, Google Ad Manager and Magnet DV Place are supporting the audio inventory. That's the reason for audio you can see only 3 exchanges. And for mobile app install line item, and it's showing like 8 exchanges and 4 sub exchanges, the same like display line item. Whereas ads in mobile apps is also having 8 exchanges and 4 sub exchanges. Ads in mobile apps video. So ads in mobile app display have 8 and 4, whereas ads in mobile apps have video. That means these complete numbers we are taking an example of IO which contains 12 exchanges and 4. That's the reason these are the numbers we are seeing. It doesn't mean that everyone follows the same. For our example, we are just comparing it with other exchanges. So ads in mobile apps for video, we have similarly 11 exchanges and 4, just like video line. Next is YouTube video line. So here for in-stream, non-skippable and bumper, you can see include video partners as extra inventory source apart from YouTube search and videos. So inventory source available are YouTube search, YouTube videos, and include video partners. We will discuss more about this in future videos. Even for website conversion, you can have inventory source as such video and video partners. For YouTube audio line item, YouTube videos and video partners are available. For Gmail line item, you can see Gmail. Only one is available. Till now we have discussed inventory source targeting. Let's look at the other targeting categories. There are different line item types. Let's compare each one and understand how it differs from IO level targeting to line item level. In this slide, you can see display line item. So these are the various targeting options at the line item level for the display line. In content, you can find few options when compared with IO level. Audio and video user rewarded content, these 2 options are not available, except that all options are available for display. Because display doesn't support video other options, right? That's the reason. From this you can understand whatever the targeting options which is available at IO level, all targeting the same options are there for display except audio video user rewarded content. These 2 options are not available. Next one is video line item type. When you select this, the targeting options available, the same targeting options available for video and user rewarded content is extra. From IO level, each one is taken except audio. Except audio, all options are present in the line item when compared with the IO. Audio line item type. So in case of audio line item, viewability, video and user rewarded content. These 3 options are not available. Also language. In case of audio line item, all the targeting options are there when compared with IO level except video, viewability, user rewarded content. Mobile app install line item type has display and video. This is similar to the display one. When compared with IO, categories environment is not available for both video and display. In technology, browser is not available. Since this is for mobile app, right? So we don't find browser here. Another one, ads in mobile apps. Categories environment is not present for ads in mobile apps because an environment is anyway it is mobile, and technology wise browser is not available here because this is mobile app. That's the reason this option is not there. Apart from this, all options are available. Now Gmail line item. From IO level, from all the options, only keyword, environment and language is there for Gmail, and audience and technology, all 4 options are available here. For YouTube partners and video, what happens is line item level has few content options, ad group level has few content options. In audience section, geo and day and time is available at line item, whereas demo and audience list is available at ad group level. In technology section, only device is available, and whereas other remaining 3 targeting options are not there. Video and audio follows the same targeting options.